The manufacturing world is changing faster than ever. Customers now expect more than just products. They want personalized solutions, transparent pricing, and lightning-fast turnaround. But for many manufacturers still relying on disconnected systems, quoting becomes a frustrating bottleneck. That's where Salesforce CPQ Configure, Price, Quote steps in. When paired with Salesforce for manufacturing, it turns complex quoting into a strategic growth engine. Sales reps can now configure even the most complex products with guided selling. Salesforce CPQ ensures every combination is compatible. No mismatched components, no missed details, just accuracy every time. With automated pricing rules and approvals, your team can apply discounts, manage volume pricing, and adjust rates in real time, keeping every quote both competitive and profitable. Generate quotes in minutes, not hours. Automated workflows send approvals to the right people instantly, speeding up deal cycles and boosting customer trust. CPQ connects your sales, operations, and production teams, syncing data like inventory and delivery timelines in real time. Deliver branded, transparent quotes that make your customers feel confident and valued. Track quote conversions, discounts, and deal sizes, giving leaders the power to forecast demand and refine pricing strategies. Salesforce CPQ is more than a quoting tool. It's a catalyst for operational excellence. And with Agentforce for manufacturing, AI takes it further, powering predictive automation, smarter collaboration, and unforgettable customer experiences.